Never could I have ever imagined that a Jamaican footballer, ladies and gentlemen, would be nominated for the prestigious Ballond'Or award, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel, everybody. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. Never could I have ever imagined that I would ever live to see a Jamaican footballer nominated for the Ballond'Or. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to send a huge congratulations to Khadija Bonny Shaw. You see the banner at the end of your screen. Khadija Bonny Shaw finally getting the recognition her talent deserves. For those of you who have missed it, who have been living under a rock, Khadija Bonny Shaw has been listed as one of 30 female footballers in the world for the prestigious Ballond'Or award. She has been nominated along with 29 other women's footballers. It's a huge accomplishment, For those of you who don't know what the Ballond'Or is, who might not be, footballing fans, the Ballond'Or is basically the highest individual accolade a player could receive in world football. Basically, it's the award for the player of the year. And it's a very, very big award, ladies and gentlemen. A very big award. And for a Jamaican to be nominated for it, to be one of 30 players nominated for it. I never ever thought in my wildest dreams I'd ever live to see the day where a Jamaican has been nominated for this award. This is an award that, we see a lot of legends winning, legends of the game, both on the men's and women's side, players like Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Marta, the Brazilian. So for Khadija to be nominated for this, words cannot explain how big of a deal this is. Win, lose, or draw. This is crazy, and our Reggae Girlz continue to do us proud and continue to represent at the highest levels, 2023 has been a huge year for Khadija Bonny Shaw. That big World Cup run with the Reggae Girlz to the knockout stages of the World Cup, very big deal. Earlier this year, she was named the CONCACAF Women's Player of the Year. She was also in the PFA Team of the Year in England, which is a very big deal, right? She received numerous Player of the Month awards in England. Just a fantastic, year for Khadija Bonny Shaw. For Manchester City this season, she scored 20 goals and 7 assists. Khadija Bonny Shaw is one of the best players in the world. One of the best women's players in the world, ladies and gentlemen. And to see a Jamaican born and bred reach the levels that Bonny Shaw has reached is just, words can't really explain, man. It's a huge deal. Seeing, I want to, implore my fellow Jamaicans to continue to support the Reggae Girlz, give them more support. They need the support, and frankly speaking, they deserve the support. We as vloggers need to do more videos about the Reggae Girlz. The supporters, the Jamaican fans need to watch videos of the Reggae Girlz more. We need to go to the stadiums to watch the girls play and support the girls in every which way we can, because they really and truly deserve the support. They are flying and they are doing exceptionally well, performing exceptionally well, and they deserve every ounce of support we can give them. A huge congratulations to Khadija Bonny Shaw. Well done. Well done. We are proud of you. We are happy for you, and we appreciate you. Seeing, Knock up the likes button, subscribe and share, ladies and gentlemen. Free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. Take care, guys. Stay safe. And until next time, again, man, we are so proud of Khadija Bonisha. Seeing? Cool.